The principals, owners, managers, and representatives from schools across the country, both from schools which are already members of the CBSE family, and those from schools which wish to become members of the CBSE family. On behalf of my team present here, I wish you a very good morning and hope that this webinar, which is perhaps the first of its kind, will be very useful for you. All of us have heard about the term ease of doing business. The government has time and again stated that we should ensure that any transaction which we have with stakeholders should be easy and result oriented, and therefore the term ease of doing business. All of you must have heard about the national education policy which came out in 2020. Dharni has alluded to that. It talks about a light but tight regulatory framework. What does this term imply? Essentially, when CBSE affiliates schools, we have as presently 25,000 schools affiliated to us, and the number is expanding every year. Our objective is, while we are affiliating schools, that the schools should meet certain minimum standards, certain minimum infrastructure standards, certain minimum academic standards, so that quality education can be provided. And with that purpose, we carry out the process of affiliation. Those schools who have been associated with us earlier would know that CBSE over the years has been taking a number of steps to simplify the affiliation process, and this new re-engineering is also a step in that direction. First of all, I would like to convey that for new schools or any school which is applying for upgradation or switchover, which is coming in contact with CBSE for the first time, we will ensure that the application is cleared within 4 months, which is a big step in terms of decreasing the time for such applications. Regarding old applications, we will, based on data analytics and all, clear applications except for a select few which will go for inspections. We have tried to integrate technology with the whole process. So for example, you will be now putting in data on basis of self-certification. Those self-certified certificates will also be read through machine learning and AI. We are also relying heavily in terms of public disclosure. The facts which you are giving to us in terms of mandatory certificates would be available on CBSE website and would also be available on your website. We feel that there should be transparency in terms of information which the schools are giving us for seeking affiliation, and transparency in terms of the transactions we have with you. We have taken some steps to ensure that whatever decision is taken by us, whatever stage the file is pending, is also available with these schools. So any certification, any communication to you would be available on a click of a button. It will not be through emails or not be through SMSs, so that you know what is the status of the application. Essentially, what this process requires is that you should have certain mandatory certificates which you would be uploading. It will be machine read, and then directly, if you meet the certain criteria for new schools or a certain segment of schools, an inspection committee will be constituted. We have ensured that people doing inspections are selected carefully, they know their mandate, and they do their job professionally. We have given very strict timelines and also given the chance for schools to give feedback on what the inspection committee has suggested. All in all, we have looked at all the aspects, right from the first stage till the end, to ensure that communication is two-way, it is transparent, and it is accountable. Accountable for both, for the schools to give us correct information and for us to deal with that application in a professional and transparent and a time-bound manner. This is a system. We expect there will be new teething troubles when we actually implement it. Therefore, we look at you as our users to give us constant feedback on the system, so that whatever small errors or mistakes would remain in the system, we would like to correct them. So essentially, for us, it's trying to address some of the issues you had raised in terms of making it time bound, with dedicated timelines, ensuring transparency and accountability, making use of technology, and essentially ensuring that all our stakeholders who interact with us are able to do so in a very professional and fulfilling manner. Our primary objective, as I said, is to ensure that schools who have the minimum standards and fulfill them get affiliation in as less time as possible, and we are committed to that endeavor. Me and my team are committed to that endeavor, and as I said, we are very open to feedback now after the session, and immediately when we implement this from March 16, we look forward to your feedback and a constant engagement to ensure that the services we deliver to our people are state of the art and the best in the country and globally. Thank you very much.